Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can enter the calendar info. So here we've got all the events in one place. We will be able to check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the About phone. It is *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as I said, we've got the About phone menu, so here we can check the model, for example, build number, IMEI numbers, and the MSPL version. Let me get back and let me show you another code, the longest one actually, and which will open the project menu. It is *##2846579, ###. And as I said, we are in the project menu, so here we can check some background settings, vendor information, network information query, software upgrade. Here we can also perform the factory reset and check the battery charge. So for example, after tapping on it, we can check the battery info like the level or the temperature. We can of course scan this QR code with another device. Now, as I said, we can check some background settings. Here we've got the background debug, we've got the USB port settings, so after tapping on it, you will be able to change the settings connected to the USB. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.